This is the Hustler's Corner.
Hello guys, welcome to the Hustler's Corner. This is Dj Sbu, straight out of Cape Town in South Africa. What is cryptocurrency? Well, it is our brand new hustle that we've just started. Lockdown came through, got us all unprepared. We didn't know what to expect after that, but it put us in a position where a lot of us started being forced to learn. Some of you guys started learning about history. Some of you guys started wanting to learn about how to start a new business. Some of you guys started wanting to learn more about yourself, focusing on personal development. Some of you guys started becoming more family orientated, just being more of a family person because you didn't have any other choice. You were locked down at home and you just had to make your family work somehow. And some of you guys started extending or renovating your homes. So much happened during the lockdown. What happened to me was I got introduced to cryptocurrency. So as I'm speaking on this video, I'm not a cryptocurrency expert. I know nothing about it. I'm a student, just like everybody else out there who's just started cryptocurrency. I'm currently studying through Crypto University, and they're teaching me all sorts of different things. And what I want to tackle on this video is cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? The money started back in the day, many centuries ago, where people would trade like spices for a horse carriage or something. You know, there'd be an exchange of goods, and that is part of trading, which is business, right? So you offer value for an exchange of other goods, or you offer value in exchange for money. And that's how people used to trade. And times evolved, moved into silver and gold, and times moved all the way into the printing of money, where we find ourselves in a day and age where that is sort of coming to an end as well. Remember when CDs were coming to an end a couple of years ago? Remember when public phones were also coming to an end a couple of years ago? Remember when those analog radio were coming to an end as well a couple of years ago? Yes, that's where we are right now. We've come pretty much towards the last days of paper money. And I'm sure if you go to any country in the world, you'll find that the money that is in circulation is way less than what it was 5 years ago, which was way less than what it was 10 years prior, 20 years prior, 100 years prior. So that's where cryptocurrency comes in. They're saying here, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. This is a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. What does that mean? That means the blockchain basically is the technology where cryptocurrencies exist on. And cryptocurrencies are different, right? The most famous one, the most popular one that we all know being Bitcoin, right? And right now is the time of doing this video. One Bitcoin is $39,000 US. And I'm excited that I've been buying some Bitcoin during this difficult time, but I'm seeing my growth. I mean, I just started a couple of months ago and I've just started learning right now, but it's good while you're learning, you're also seeing the money. I'm learning with my real money. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm not saying go do it. Don't take anyone's advice. Don't take my advice. I'm the last person you can take advice from. I'm merely just sharing this information for educational purposes. So blockchain being the technology, cryptocurrencies existing on the blockchain is decentralized, meaning it does not belong to the US government. It does not belong to any government. Basically, it's decentralized and nobody can interfere with it because it's also encrypted. And every transaction of every Bitcoin that is bought or every cryptocurrency that is bought, it is encrypted and it is stored into some platform somewhere, into some ledger where nobody can touch it, and it is traced. And for a number of Bitcoins that get bought all the time, there is a public information that all of the public knows how many number of Bitcoins are eventually going to be manufactured or sorry guys, English is not my mother tongue, so sometimes, how many Bitcoins are going to be created? For example, making Bitcoin as an example. Now remember, Bitcoin is one of the many other cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrency exists on a blockchain network. And the blockchain network is decentralized. It is not controlled by anyone, which means it is free of manipulation. But what controls a lot of it right now is, I would say, current affairs or news. Or I'll make you an example. A couple of months ago, for instance, when Elon Musk would come out and say, as SpaceX, we're going to start accepting Bitcoins now. You know, as Tesla, you can start buying our cars on Bitcoin. That sort of influences the market because a reputable figure like Elon Musk says something like that. And then people start waking up like, oh, seems like this Bitcoin thing or this cryptocurrency thing is true. Let me try that. Because right now, there's still a lot of skeptics. Just like how skeptical we were when smartphones first came out. Just like how skeptical we were when there's always new technology that comes out, we are always skeptical. So cryptocurrency, guys, is the future of money. And I'm here to encourage as many of you as possible to start learning about it. Don't trust anybody out there. Don't give your money to anyone out there. There's a lot of scammers out there. Only trade with reputable platforms and be informed as much as you can. And right now, I repeat, one cryptocurrency is valued at 39,000 US dollars. And some of us are in crypto. When are you joining us? I was just talking about one Bitcoin. That's one of other many cryptocurrencies that are there. And I've already started as well on altcoins. I'm learning. So thanks to Crypto University, I'm learning. So hey, you must come and join us and let's get on this hustle. And guys, please, once again, another disclaimer. Don't start learning to use your own money, which is a lot. Don't start with a lot of money. Just start with some little bit of money while you're accumulating the knowledge. Just like me, I didn't start with a lot of money. I just started with $100. $100 is 1,500 rands. And to tell you the truth, my 1,500 rands now sitting on, let me tell you, because I've been in it for a couple of months me now, is sitting on 23,000 rands. 23,702 cents. That's where my 1,500 rands that I started with a few months ago is at right now. So I encourage you to go learn more about it. Go do your own research. Don't listen to my advice. Don't listen to anybody else's advice. Don't give your money to anyone. Only invest or trade with reputable platforms. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I hope this video encourages you to want to go learn about crypto, know what it is, so we can all get onto this bandwagon. I'm doing this so we can all start focusing on making money. Let's all hustle, but online. You guys must hustle smarter than we did. We hustled hard in the streets, but you guys, you must hustle smart.